In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Flybys in Strava app. If you've ever finished a run or ride and wondered who else was out there on a similar route at the same time, Flybys is the feature that helps you find out. It lets you see nearby athletes who overlapped with your activity and how your paths intersected on the map. By default, many accounts have this turned off for privacy, so I'll show you exactly how to enable it so you can view Flybys again. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Give it a second to load your feed. From here, head to your profile. On most phones, you'll find the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap that to open your profile page where you can see your activities, stats, and account options. Next, go into Settings. Look for the gear icon, usually in the top corner of your profile screen, and tap it. This is where all of your account controls live, including privacy and data options that affect how your activities are shared and discovered. Inside Settings, choose Privacy Controls. This section determines who can see different parts of your Strava experience. Since Flybys involves other athletes potentially seeing that you were nearby and vice versa, Strava places this toggle here so you're always in control. Now, find the Flybys option and tap it. You'll see choices that govern whether Flybys are visible and to whom. To make Flybys work the way most people expect, select Everyone. This turns on Flybys for your account so you can see overlapping athletes on your activities, and they can see you as well. A few quick tips so you know what to expect. Turning on Everyone for Flybys does not make your entire profile public, and it doesn't override your activity visibility settings or privacy zones. It only controls participation in the Flybys feature. If you don't see many flybys on a particular run or ride, it could be that not many people were nearby or that other athletes haven't opted in. That's normal. You can always return to privacy controls at any time to adjust this setting if you change your mind. And that's it. You opened the Strava app, went to your profile, entered settings, tapped privacy controls, chose Flybys, and set it to Everyone. With that done, you're ready to explore how your workouts intersect with the community. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next activity with Flybys enabled.